Hey, Tuna here with another DIY video. The other day I noticed a piece was missing from my roof. Turns out the retaining clip had come off and consequently the molding flew off my car. So today I'll be showing you how to replace the roof panel joint retaining clip and the finish molding on a Chevy Sonic hatchback. This process is the same for both driver and passenger side pieces. I chose to go with GM genuine parts. The driver's side is part number 96878541. The passenger side is 96878542. And the clips are 22757072. Here's that clip fresh out of the packaging. First, remove any adhesive residue where the previous clip was. I used a small flathead screwdriver to carefully scrape it off and expose the bare metal for the new adhesive to bond to. Be sure to clean the surface really well. Prep is key here. On the advice of Sonic Owners Forum user JT2017, I chose Amazing Goop as the adhesive. This product was also used by Ashley E. Schuler on the Owners Forum, and we never heard back after her car wash, so I guess it stayed on. Follow the Goop instructions and apply a thin layer to the surface of both pieces. Let it set for 2 minutes, then press the pieces together. For best results, allow a full 24 hours to cure. To prevent corrosion, I went back and applied some automotive touch-up paint to the exposed metal parts. Now to install the molding. Position the molding in the joint channel and look at it from the rear of the car. The slanted side needs to be toward the inboard edge, and the upright side needs to be towards the outboard edge. Here is how it looks from the front of the car. Now, simply press the molding into place and work your way to the other side. Press firmly at the clip as it might provide more resistance, being new and all. That's it. Thanks for watching. Till next time.